What's up guys? Welcome back. Today I will show you how to create a new Gmail account on your Android device. Google Play, Chromebook, Gmail, YouTube, all these wonderful services starts with and require a Google account. Whether you are setting up a Gmail account is simple and quick. Here's how to do on whichever device you have. Let's start this video. Open the Setting app. Scroll down to Account or Users and Accounts. Tap Add Account. Tap Google. Tap Create Account. Tap For Myself. Type the name associated with the account. While you do not have to use your real name, if this is going to be your main account, using your real name is recommended. Tap Next. Enter the birthday associated with the account. Google requires all account users to be at least 13 years old, and some countries have been higher age requirements. And in order to have an account that can use Google Pay or credit card to pay for anything, the account holder must be 18 years old. Select gender. If you do not wish to be identified by your gender, you can select rather not say. Tap Next. Tap in your username. This username will become your Gmail address as well as how you log into your account. If your desired username is taken, you will be told to pick another and given suggestion. Tap Next. Type in a new password for your account. The password has to be at least 8 characters. Retype your new password in the Confirm Password box. You will be told how strong or weak the password you have selected is. You will be asked if you want to add a phone number. This phone number can be used to verify your identity. Tap Next. Tap Next. Google will present their terms of use. After scrolling through and read the sections that interest you, tap I agree. Your core Google account is now set up. Tap Next to exit the screen. That's all for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you could get our future videos. Thanks for watching.